Yo guys, what's up here with US Steel? End of the day. Look, we have a call that I sold at $28.50, and now the stock is at $28.02. Therefore, the option is completely worthless as trading has just closed for the day. And of course, I've make 100% profit on this one again. I know it's not a lot of money, okay? 150 bucks times 2, okay. A few $100. That's a really, really nice dinner out a couple times. Okay? I can't choke at that. I can't scoff. I know it's beans compared to my overall account value and what we've been trading with Tesla, $1,000 at a pop. But anyway, be sure you guys subscribe to the channel. You can see my method, you can see my thought process, and how we go about selling covered calls, cash covered puts, to make cash flow on our investments. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. Not always perfect, okay? You guys see losses in my account, but you've seen some huge wins too. So, at the end of the day, we are going for a good rate, right? 30% return or better is what I'd like to see when I sell options. So, if you guys want to learn how to do that, be sure to subscribe and join the channel. It's really cheap. For what you get, the value, it's super awesome. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Deal. So be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.